taste
Not even
it.
saying
What
that.
have you actually liked so far that we did? That's no excuse. That's not what this is about.
I don't freaking like freaking peanut butter.
So warm. Good.
Ew.
I don't want to eat it.
It's not cashew
Just
butter,
try a
right?
tiny piece. You all have to do it at the same time.
It's not cashew butter, it's
No,
peanut
but-
butter. It's so sticky.
What does it taste like? Either way, this sound of you chewing makes me want to die. Is it good?
It just tastes like peanut butter.
Do I have to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm just gonna pretend it's a cookie. It smells like peanut butter. It just smells like peanut butter.
It doesn't taste like.
Can I just eat off the other end of yours?
It doesn't taste like potato. At
Unless
all.
you want the whole thing.
It's just like sweet peanut butter.
don't want to eat it more.
It's so weird.
Ew, it tastes like. I'm not explaining it. It literally just tastes like peanut butter.
So
It's all it
chewy.
tastes like, but yeah, like chewy peanut butter. I don't know. I feel like some people actually would like this, but I don't. But some people would probably would. Yeah, that's not the worst.
What
thing.
kind of people?
The boys, did you not try it?
Okay, wait.
Ew.
Did you spit it out?
What? Can you hear her?
It's
I'm
not that
so
bad.
full. It literally
I'm not gonna voluntarily eat it though.
No. Mm-mm. No. No.